Hello girls, good morning. This is lecture video volume 3 of lesson 8 bird. Let's recall what we read about in the last video. What is beak? Different types of beak, their categories according to their usage as crushing beak, chiseling beak, long tubular beak, tearing beak, curved beak, strainer beak, scooping beak. Let's move ahead to the next topic. In this video, we will discuss about feet and claws. This is the picture of the feet of a bird. Feet means the leg part. A feet has toes along with claws. About feet and claws. Birds have 2 feet, I have shown you now also, or legs with 4 toes on each leg. It has a claw on each toe. Claws are what? Curved and horny nails. We have also nails. They have got the nails which is curved and horny. Function of feet. Used to walk and perch on trees. They use their feet to walk and perch. Perch means the place and the time where they take rest and sit. Function of claws. To catch and hold food, their prey, food, as well to protect themselves from their enemies. See, a bird, picture of a claw. Claws are curved horny nails on each digit of the foot in birds. Perch. Perch is a term that is a place where birds rest or sits. This is the chart which I have prepared for you all, in which I have discussed about their structure of their feet, claws, what type of claws they have got, their description, of course, along with their purpose and usage as well. For example, earth scratcher beak. What type of birds are called earth scratcher? Means they have got the earth scratcher feet. Sorry, I said beak, feet. So I'll discuss this chart later on. First, I want you all to see one video.
All birds have 2 feet. Each foot has 4 toes. Eagles have sharp claws called talons that help to pick up small animals. Ducks have webs between their toes for swimming. Hen and pigeon have sharp claws that help them to dig the ground easily. Parrots perch on the branches using their slender claws. Climbing birds such as woodpeckers have claws with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backward that help to climb up the trees. Water birds like cranes have long legs to walk through water. Summary. Seed-eating birds have short beaks. Flesh-eating birds have curved, sharp beaks and strong talons. Water birds have broad and flat beaks and webbed feet.
I hope you have understood from the video which I have shown you now. So from that video, I can just tell you that as per the structure of feet and claws, birds has been categorized into different types. Earth scratcher. Earth scratcher means all those birds which has got the feet that have sharp and hard claws that help them to scratch the ground. Why they have got those kind of claws? Because they usually live on ground and scratch the ground to find food. That's why they have been called as scratching birds. Now, a bird of prey means preying bird. All those birds which are flesh eating birds such as eagle, vulture, hawks, owls, they usually catch, hold, carry their prey with curved claws or talons. Their claws are called talons, and they have what? Sharp toes. Their toes are very sharp because they have to hold, they have to catch their prey, and they usually fly for the longer period of a time. These are what? Flesh eating birds, which usually eat the flesh of other animals. Now, the climbing birds. Climbing birds usually have the structure of their claws in a way that two toes will be facing upward or forward, means in the front, and two pointing toes downward or the backward, so that they can climb easily on a tree. Why they have to climb? They usually climb vertically. Vertically means straight, in the search of food, and they need this type of structure of feet and claws because they have to climb vertically. Second thing, they have to hold the tree trunk and the branches for the longer period of a time in search of food. That's why these kind of birds, I can just tell you the example of that: woodpecker, barbets, parrots, like that. They are climbing birds. Now, perching birds. I have explained you the term perch also. Perching birds, usually they sit, they take rest at a place. That's why they have got this type of feet and claws. Why? Because they have to maintain their grip. Grip means to hold tightly anything, where they usually sits on the branches of the trees. That's why their three toes are in front and one toe lies at the back of that feet. They have got the claws, the nails are small. Now, runner. Some birds are runner because they cannot fly, but they run, they walk very fast. For example, fowls, ostrich. They have three toes in the front and one short toe at the back. You can see, this is the picture. A sharp claws in each foot. Some birds need strong leg to help run and search for food from or under the ground. Last type, wading birds, a wader. For example, cranes, flamingos, herons, storks. See, their legs are very long. They have got long legs which help them to keep their body outside the water, means half body upside the water and their legs are submerged in the muddy water because they have to walk under the water. Why? In the search of food. And see, their toes are spread. See, spreading toes, because it helps them from sinking into soft mud. Now, swimmers, water birds, swimmers. For example, ducks, gulls, swans. They have short and strong with three long toes in the front and one short toe at the back. And can you see some different structure here? Yes, I can see. Their all front three toes are attached with a thin layer of skin or membrane, which is called what? Web. See, which is called web. Why they have got this type of feet, the structure? Because they have to paddle. They have to paddle or swim in the water. That's why they have been called as water bird, the swimmer. And the purpose is because they have to swim in the water in the search of food. Sometimes they have to go under the water also to find small insects or small water bodies to eat. Girls, I hope you have understood the topic feet and claws. So this is a small exercise which I have given you. Let's find out the correct name as per the structure of their feet and claws. First one is given wading bird. Wading bird are those who walk in the water. I think it goes to a crane. Yeah. Perching bird. Perching bird are those bird who sits and rests on the tree branches. I think it goes to a sparrow. Scratching bird are those who scratches the ground. Climbing birds. I think it's a woodpecker as per their feet structure. Now, praying bird are the flesh eating bird. Water bird are the good swimmer. I think we have done. Let's see.
Excellent.
Excellent. Very nice. So, girls, after this, I'm going to give you a small exercise in which I want you to write two examples of each category: water bird, wading bird, praying, climbing, perching, and scratching bird. I'll give you the worksheet on your WhatsApp as well. I'll upload the file on MS Team. I want you to give me the homeworks back either on my WhatsApp chat window or the chat group which I have created in the MS Team. Till then, revise the videos. Thank you.